Welcome to the Destino neighborhood of Vieques. We're here at the popular Colmado Mambo. It's a great store for those on the way to the beach or those in the neighborhood that need some food and drink items. Up the road takes you to the entrance of Fish and Wildlife and Esperanza, and the other way goes to Isabel Segunda. Today we're at the Pelican House. It's a two-story multi-unit property. It's perfect for someone looking to buy an investment property. You can live in one unit, rent out the other, or perhaps rent out both. Let's go inside. So here we are at the entrance on the first floor of 2 floors. A couple of steps up, the yard's fenced, as you can see there. Got a security door, and then you've got this nice screen door if you want a breeze coming through the property. We enter into the living room. You can see the kitchen over there. I've got the bar set up there for, I could see about 6 people, 3 on each side. Good sized living room, window, ceiling fan. Everything here is concrete, the walls, the ceiling. Come into the kitchen. All the finishes here have been recently remodeled. See a nice backslash there, the tile backslash, the gas stove and oven, double sink. All the cabinets are new. Great shape. There again, you can see the high top bar. Great space for entertaining or dining. You've got the room for a refrigerator, and you can see the mechanical storage area. It's amazing how some designers can take elements and create great spaces for storage. There's the living room. That's the door we came in on the left. The ceiling fan. And here we're going to go into the first of 2 bedrooms. You can see a good size. I think it's about a queen size bed in there with bedside tables. These apartments really have been set up great for like short-term, long-term rental. You saw the rack there for hanging some clothes. There's the mini split AC and the ceiling fan. So this is perfect for like a short-term rental. It would also serve as a long-term rental. The owner's been renting this out more on a long-term basis lately. So that's bedroom number 1. If we come back around the corner, there's bedroom number 2. Again, another looks like a full bed. What you'll notice with the windows is they are louvered, but they have see-through plastic. So when the AC's on, you get some nice natural light coming in, as well as keeping the room cool. Again, we saw the mini split AC there. There's an area for hanging clothes. It had a ceiling fan as well. And then we come into the bathroom, which has new vanity. It has the shower. And you can see the tile on the walls and on the floor. So all the modern amenities that one would expect when staying down here. There's a little ceiling fan. Everything's really been updated in this unit, which is really nice. Again, there's the kitchen, there's the living room. So this is unit number 1, 2 bedroom, 1 bath, kitchen, living room, about a little over 500 square feet. So let's go upstairs now. As you can see, there's separate stairs going up to the roof, and down there below is the washer and dryer, so that both units have laundry facilities to use. Up here on the second floor, we'll start seeing some of the view here in the Destino area. Got a nice enclosed, covered deck area up here with security door. You can see the Reyes. Reyes are these metal bars, the metal bars that we see here. And there's looking out the view. That's facing northwest, west-northwest. So you have some nice sunsets from up there. And again, there's Mambo. If you need some sugar, need some coffee, need a quick fix, hop on down there, just a couple steps away. Nice little sitting area, and this does have sliding glass doors, so you get a lot of natural light that comes into the living room here. As you can see, a good-sized sofa in there. Again, with the louvered windows, some nice modern ball fans are up here in this unit. It's got a little the ceiling up here on the roof is slanted, which is always a good thing down here. We don't want necessarily a flat roof. And again, this kitchen's been redone. Look at that tile backslash, all the cabinets. There's a gas stove and oven. Great finishes here. It's really set up as a perfect rental, whether it's long-term or short-term. There's actually a great amount of space here. You figure a little over 500 feet per floor. This kitchen's a little bit bigger than downstairs, because remember downstairs you had that sitting bar area, the high top bar. This has actually more of a proper dining room table. Again, all the louvered windows, if you want to let in light or not let in light, you can open and close those as you please. And because of the ceiling height, there are little nooks. So there's a little storage area up there. We'll see another one in another one of the bedrooms. Nice little areas for storage. I really like to see either store luggage or store personal items. Here's bedroom number 1. Again, we see the windows with the see-through plastic windows to keep the coolness in. So there's your AC mini split. This unit upstairs actually has a little more proper closets. You see one there with the sliding mirrored windows or doors, I should say. Another little storage area up top and room enough for the bureau there. So I think this is the bigger of the 2 bedrooms. Around the corner here is bedroom number 2. This one's currently set up more with just like a day bed, but I think you can put a proper full-size bed in there. This is more set up for like a yoga, relaxing room. Again, the AC mini split, like all the other bedrooms. The ball fan, nice modern ball fan there. And the closet as well with the mirrored sliding doors. So again, about 500 square feet on this floor as well, a little bit more. 2 bedroom, 2 bedroom, 1 bath, 1 kitchen on each floor with living room. Everything. This property is so move-in ready. This is turnkey rental. You can live in one unit, rent out the other. You can rent out both. You can rent them out as long-term, short-term. Lots of great options on this property, and it's in perfect move-in ready condition. The seller's done a great job of getting this property ready for sale, ready for rental, and it's your chance to take advantage of that. Again, you can see the vanity, some of the newer fixtures here in this upstairs bathroom, tiled wall, tiled floors. Again, this is a shower, hot and cold water there. This has the shower head as well as the removable shower handle there. Again, there's a view back towards the toilet and the vanity sink and mirror. So again, move-in ready, great shape. Really don't have to do anything to this property to start using it or taking advantage of it. So again, there's the living room. There's your view out towards the little covered deck and a view back towards the west. So this is the Pelican House, 4 bedrooms, 2 bath total, multi-unit. Feel free to check out the website, ParaisoRealtyPR.com. I'm Bob, and thanks for touring with us.